Let me say this straight. 90% of retail traders normally lose money, and not because you don't have a good strategy, not because they don't know how to analyze the market so well. Some of you are actually watching this video. I've been trading and I've been in this game for many years, and you're still not profitable. The truth is, it's not about your strategy. It's not about the uncommon things that no one actually tells you. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you my 6 years of experience packed into 5 powerful lessons that I've been able to learn that will completely change the way you trade. Let's go. Point number 1, profit are useless if you actually keep recycling them. What do I mean by this? Some of you actually make some amount of profit, and what you do, you go back in, you reinvest all it again and again. You know, on your side now, trading starts to become a cycle of win, reinvest, lose, repeat. Let me just ask you this question. When was actually the last time you withdrew some of your profit, or maybe treated yourself to do something? If you don't actually learn to reward yourself or diversify your gains, you'll never feel like you are actually winning. Take a portion of that profit and buy a stock somewhere, some crypto, land, or even just a nice dinner. Some of you actually prefer buying cars. Make trading real. Number 2, risk management will either make you or break you. Some of you are going to agree with me on this. This is where 90% of the traders fail. You risk big, chasing a small reward. You own on your end trades forever, but as soon as the trade goes green, you panic and close that. That's not trading actually, that's gambling with emotions. From now on, set these rules in stone. Just write them somewhere in capital letters. Only TP or SL will close my trades unless breaking news forces me out. And here is the key. Risk reward must always be in your favor. Don't risk $100 to make $20. Flip that equation. Trade smarter, not harder. Point number 3, small account won't build a big dreams. Hey, I know this, some of you raised me on this, but to be honest, let that $30 to maybe $200 will not make you financially freedom. You will not make you financial freedom in Forex market. That will actually end you to make you making over trends, over leveraging, you know. Or you just have, for example, let me just give you this example. You have $10,000 account, a $5,000 account gain in a week is actually real money and manageable. Even $15 a day earns are fast on capital building. Not flipping micro account, because real freedom comes from patience and size, not overnight miracles. So have big account, focus on small portions. And number 4, as we are close to wind up, is your mind is the real trading tools. Most traders, you know, never talk about this, but your environment normally matters a lot. I've experienced that personally, and a lot in trading. You know, noise, chaos, and stress clouds your decisions. So all you just have to do is to make sure that you take a break, go on vacation. If you are a prayer person, just pray. Sit down in silence, meditate. You'll be amazed on how clearly you can think when your mind is quiet. A peaceful mind makes powerful decisions. The final point is adapt or die. The market will not, you know what the market will do? The market is always evolving. News, behaviors, price action, volatility. It changes with time. Remember this, how different it was when Trump actually tweeted every day. You have seen about the tariffs things. What actually worked in 2020 may not work today. So what you can do is to make sure that you adapt, evolved, stay a student of the game, because the market never stop changing. And neither should you. So when the market changes, you change. And that is my point there. Let me just finalize this. These 5 things changes my entire journey as a trader. This is actually what changed me. No strategies, no indicators, but mindset, money habit, and real discipline. If you take this seriously, your trading will never be the same again. Smash the like button. Make sure that you like, subscribe, turn on notification bell if you have learned something. Subscribe for more and drop a comment. Which one of these 5 hit you the hardest? I won't be replying to everyone. See you in the next video.